Endangered Sumatran tigers, meerkats, and squirrel monkeys join in the Easter egg-citement activities at the ZSL London Zoo on April 5. Footage released by Zoo shows the animal foraging and hunting for eggs, just like children enjoying the conservation zoo's egg hunt. 9-month-old critically endangered Sumatran tiger cubs, Crispin and Zac, played with the giant cardboard eggs inside their enclosure. The meerkats foraged among sand and rocks for their own egg, while Bolivian black-capped squirrel monkeys foraged among colourful eggs hanging in the treetop home.